Welcome to the Accessing GovConnectIowa series. This tutorial will walk you through how to amend your alcohol license for your business to transfer your premises. Please note that the appearance of your pages in this tutorial may look different due to system updates. You must be signed in to amend an alcohol license. Be sure to check out our additional tutorial on signing up to learn more. I am all signed up, so I will enter my information now. And I will enter my password to complete my login. If your alcohol license needs some sort of update, you will need to amend your license. Begin by clicking the I want to tab because I want to amend a license. There are several ways you can manage your alcohol license or products. Many of the options will be found in the Alcohol Management panel. For this tutorial, let's look at the ways we can amend a license. I will select that hyperlink now. There are several ways to amend your license. These actions can be found in panels such as updating your premises or contact information, updating your dram shop policy, modifying privileges, temporarily expanding your outdoor service, unlicensing your premises, and checking out additional resources to support your work within this system. For this tutorial, we are going to focus on the Update Premises or Contact panel. Let's take a look at the Transfer Your Premises hyperlink. There are two options for which you can transfer your premises, either temporarily or permanently. If you select Permanent Premises Transfer, you will want to pay close attention to the directions. A permanent premises transfer application is to be used when a licensee is wanting to permanently transfer their active license to another location. The requirements are listed in the section. If you choose the Permanent Transfer option, click Next. If you select the Temporary Premises Transfer, you will want to pay close attention to the directions. A temporary premises transfer application is to be used when a licensee is wanting to temporarily transfer their active license to another location. The requirements are listed in the section. In particular, be sure you understand that the temporary transfer must be a minimum of 24 hours and a maximum of 7 days. If it is going to be longer than 7 days, use the Permanent Premises Transfer option. I will choose the Temporary Transfer option and will now click Next. You will then need to select the license you would like to transfer. These licenses will be listed by license type. I will select my LC license and will then click Next. Enter the new premises address for this transfer, and be sure it follows the requirements listed on the previous page. For instance, this temporary premises transfer must be located within the same jurisdiction as my current address. Once you have entered the address, be sure to click the Verify Address button to verify the new premises address with the United States Postal Service's database. I will enter my new address now. I have entered and verified my address. I will now click Next. Next up is the premises transfer information. I have entered my premises transfer start date, end date, the number of floors of this new premises, and my control of the property. I have also answered each of the 3 yes/no questions. Here's my question for you. Will I have a problem submitting this request? I sure will. We simply need to recall the requirements shown earlier. The transfer request must be a minimum of 24 hours and a maximum of 7 days. Anything more than 7 days requires a permanent transfer. I will make the necessary change to my transfer end date and will then click Next. Next, you will need to update your proof of control of property. Please note that purchase agreements are not accepted and that you will not be able to proceed without uploading at least one proof of control of property document. I will upload mine now. Next, I will need to upload my premises sketch. I can do so by clicking the upload icon. Before I add my sketch, I want to point out this wonderful hyperlink. We have provided several examples of good sketches so you have an idea of what the department is expecting to see. This will help to avoid delays in your application. Let's take a look. Here you can see several examples, including on-premises, off-premises, manufacturing, wholesale sketches, and special event sketches. I'll add my sketch to the previous screen. Next, select your dram shop company from the drop-down menu, followed by clicking Next. Be sure to read the entire statement for both the terms and conditions and your agreement with the terms. Once you have completed your reading, check the box to state that you declare that the information provided on this application is true and accurate, and that you agree to the terms and conditions outlined above. Then, the name entered in the Name of Owner text box must match the listed owner name below. Once these items are completed, click Next to continue. Finally, you are ready to submit your premises update amendment. Read the declaration statement and then enter your password, followed by clicking Submit. Be sure to write down your confirmation number. This number can be used if you have any questions and need to contact the department. You can also click Printable View to print the confirmation screen. Once you are ready, click OK to return to your dashboard. You can keep an eye on your amendment status by clicking the View Amendment Status hyperlink within the proper license account section of your dashboard. You'll be able to see your amended application status here, including the current application status, decision date once it is made, and, until the application is decided, the ability to withdraw your application. You can view your application by clicking the View hyperlink. I will do that now. This status area can inform us that our application is still processing. Once the application has been processed, you'll see that the application status has changed, that there is now a decision date, and that your ability to withdraw the application is no longer available. Great job! For more videos and help on how to navigate the GovConnectIowa portals, visit revenue.iowa.gov/GovConnectIowa and our YouTube page. Thanks for watching.